Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to discuss about the simple interest. So in this topic we will cover what is simple interest and how we calculate the simple interest. So first, simple interest means the interest that you earn by giving money to other. So we give certain amount of money to others, which is called principal. P is principal. We give it for them for certain period of time. So certain period of time we provide them, that is called t, that should be in year. And r means the interest rate, how much rate we can obtain per year with that money. So in this video I will teach you how we calculate the interest. So the general formula is p into r into t upon 1000 upon 100. So this is the interest you earn per year. Then total amount will be what you have given to other plus the interest you earn in the with that principal. Okay, so let's calculate one question here. So in this question, let's see. So let us go through it. Here our p is equals to 5000 and our rate is equals to 8% and our time is equals to 3 years. So if you calculate the interest of it by formula, p into r into t upon 100. So if we do 5000 into 8 into 3 upon 100, this and this cancel. 8 5 is 40, 40 is 12, is 1200. So this is r is 1200. You earn it interest and total amount is equal to p plus I is equal to 5000 plus 1200. 6200 in 5 in 3 years. You earn this amount in 3 years. Similarly, if you see here this question, how long it will take to calculate to how long it will take for amount to 240 to earn 600 interest at the 5%. So we have the rate 5% and it has given the interest 600 and principal 2400. So we need to find the mm, time is equal to what? So simply use the formula I is equal to p into r into t upon 100. If you have the principal 2400 into 600 here, 100 into rate, we have 5% into t. So if you cancel 2 and 2 cancel, 6 for the 24. So 5 for the 20 means t is equal to 20. 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5 years. So the time which you can earn the interest is on the 600 interest is in 5 years. So 5 years is your answer. If you like our video, please subscribe the channel. Stay updated for the more video. Thank you for watching this simple interest video.